I decided to test out these Earth Breeze laundry detergent sheets on stains, odors, and sensitive skin with my family, and this is what happened. As a family with pets and small children, we needed a laundry detergent which would be tough on stains, odors, and gentle on sensitive skin. To use these, I start by putting dirty laundry in the washer, then I gather how many laundry detergent sheets I need, which is based on the load size. For a load about this size, I normally put in one full sheet. However, if the load is extra dirty, stained, or stinky, I add an extra half sheet. For a top loading or front loading washer, you just place the sheets in the drum. I like to place them on top of the dirty laundry. Then you can close the door and check your settings. I usually set it for warm water or cold water. And also worth noting, these sheets are perforated, so it's easy to split the laundry sheets into half sheets when you need to. My kids and I have sensitive skin. We are also prone to eczema, and I am prone to acne. I have not noticed any irritation on any of our skin since using these laundry detergent sheets. They also dissolve easily even during a cold wash cycle, and I haven't seen any residue left over on clothes or any of the laundry that I do when I take them out of the washer. We've tested these Earth Breeze sheets on dirty laundry with food stains, vomit, and terrible odors. These feel a lot like a dryer sheet, but even though they're fragrance-free, my clothes still come out smelling fresh and clean. They do a great job eliminating odors and tackling stains. These Earth Breeze laundry detergent sheets are safe for all washing machines. They're septic and gray water safe as well. Thank you to the brand for sending these to us to try in exchange for our honest feedback. We are very happy with these. I also love that they have no dyes or bleach and they're cruelty-free. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you'd like, you can follow me for more.